tail panel, and we decided to go with the new skin rather than try to fix this, just because we got that mess down there, this mess here. So put the skin on. It's definitely help. Skin, tail panels in the box. Get that bowler going. This side is fixed, smoothed out, very, very thin layer of filler. Roof's done. It's looking good. Rear panel taken off. We're gonna add that RS panel on there so the taillights are already cut out. And if you look right here, we already got the Detroit Speed mini tub. That one's already in, mocked up. This side is currently getting cut out. That's cool. And then just had the cowl cover media blasted. Got that here, and we're gonna smooth out this firewall a little bit, make it look a little bit nicer. But it's coming along. I mean, these guys are working hard, doing a great job. Can't wait to get this replaced. It still needs to be replaced. So we're gonna do that after the tail panel. And then obviously that tunnel. That tunnel is ugly, and to get that T56, we need to raise it a little bit. So that'll get done here soon. All right, well, let's see what happens next. The updates just keep coming. Keep getting more stuff done. We got the rear panels on. That panel came with those RS reverse lights already cut out. Man, this look, it's slick. Loving it. We got this panel, driver's side panel already off. You see where some damage was done behind it. So that's getting repaired. And then we got this new skin that's gonna go on there. So they finished the tubs. Right, tubs are looking clean. It's good stuff, guys. Man, I'm so excited. Can't wait till this gets to paint. Tunnel hasn't been done yet, but they're getting there. So one step at a time, right? One step at a time. Well, it's week 4 since the Camaro has been in the body shop. I'm gonna go by today. We're gonna take a look, see what progress has been made. Last time we were in there, they had the rear panel was installed. The final mini tub was done. They just had the passenger before, then they did the driver. They took off the driver side quarter panel, so maybe that'll be up today. Maybe that skin will be on. Maybe the doors will be on. I don't know. We're gonna check it out, but I'm gonna show you guys what else I got here. Got some casters here and a little Harbor Freight, you know. I got to make a body cart for when this car comes back to me. I got to be able to make it a roller since there's no suspension on it. So looked up on the internet. A couple of guys have used these to make it. So I'm going to go take some more dimensions of the underside of the car and see how I want to make my body cart. But yeah, that's where we're at for now. I'm excited. So let's go see what's done. Rear quarter panel skin is on, nice and welded up. It's looking really good there. Mocked up the door as well, obviously to check the gaps. You know, for an aftermarket door, it really lined up pretty nice. Really happy with that. So they're gonna do the other door this week. The welding on this side is done. We rolled in the fender underneath, so it matches the other side. So next thing is that tunnel. Once they're done welding the tunnel, and they get back to the body, putting the door on, smoothing everything out as one, making sure this trunk closes nice. All right. So it's good on this side. A little low on that side, but probably just shim it off right there. Pretty soon. Took my measurements to make a dolly at home. Heart dolly. To be continued. Walking into the shop. It's Tuesday. See what we've got here.
Hey, man.
How's it going?
Which one's your car?
I don't know.
It went over there to this one.
You didn't make it today.
Oh, I'm making it.
Well, right now I'm blowing it out. It's going down to the finger.
Your car didn't pick up the topic. So good.
Yeah. Oh, you're working on your car.
Yeah, I can tell.
Yeah, that thing was sweet. Check this out. Got all that shit on there.
Oh, yeah. That looks real nice.
Yeah, he just did he did a lot of particular shit. He's good.
I took all your lead out this morning on both sides and we welded it.
Okay.
Because one was cracked and we were going to take a chance on the other one cracking.
Yeah, we don't want that.
That yellow one that came back.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
Okay.
Okay.
We welded it. So you're not going to have that issue.
Perfect.
So,
Good.
And then I did all the dirty stuff, all the door jam work, all the body work. It's going right now. It's going over to primer, dude.
Okay.
So blow it out, go over to primer, and
What about the tunnel?
do all that when we get back.
Okay.
Right now, the problem is that moisture is not our friend.
I know. Yeah.
You
Gotta get it primered.
yeah, we got the primer and everything else. We can mock up and do that.
Gotcha.
Whatever. That's not going to be a good thing.
Okay.
So,
Sweet.
the body work.
How's the other door looking? Oh, cool. You got the firewall.
Yeah, I got the firewall.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Around a little bit. Trying to go, you know.
Yeah, it looks a lot nicer.
Yeah, it's even further in than the other chicken. I go, I did it as minimally as I can. I go, but the other ones, it comes out even further, so they're golden right there.
Yeah, a lot of room. Fighting for room, yeah. Yeah, these two, right? They could be punched out. That's Bondo in there. Yeah. How's this door looking?
Mock up the front end. That's when we're really rubber's gonna hit the road with this.
Okay.
Because we're gonna fence shit around.
Gotcha.
If it needs it, we're not gonna, but like I said, we just gotta get them in the ballpark.
Gotcha.
Get it right there? It's just in the ballpark.
Yeah.
And able to guide us to the front end, and then you can
Start making it
more
move.
alignment. We need to.
Yeah.
So you don't need putting all your chips in on the door gap because that ain't gonna jive,
Yeah.
right?
This is the part you did too up here?
So yeah.
Gotcha.
I welded them all, took all the took all the solder out. You can solder it. Melted all the solder out, grounded it, fiberglass it, so it won't breach, and then I put it in.
Okay.
But the meat and potatoes
Like it.
there, man. You know?
Good.
Good there. Yeah, that's not no issue. It's interesting. It's a getting there. Look at it. Did all your back right here, all that nice, both sides.
Oh yeah, it looks nice.
Underneath, you know. So, you know.
It's ready for primer now, right?
Yep.
All right. Like it. Well, it's Tuesday. I'm back at. Which way do you go here? Concourse shop here, and making lots of progress on the '69 Camaro. It's going great. They're actually spraying it down, airing it all off, getting all the dust off, because it's going to go into its first round of primer. And they'll reblock it, check everything, and then they'll start the inside. They'll do the bowler tunnel that needs to get installed still, and some minor welding things that need to happen. Other than that, it's going really great. Really happy with it. So I'll be back here in a few more days. We'll keep getting more and more updates and seeing the progress of this. Hopefully next month or two we'll have this thing painted and ready to come home so we can start assembling it. I saw you guys roll in. I gotta take a video. I was sitting in the car right there. Yeah. All right. Ready for primer. All right.